New details on the Biden administration's flights carrying migrant children that came through Jacksonville Airport. The News 4 JAX I-team reported on more than 70 flights, often in the dark of night, landing here with unaccompanied minors from Central and South America. The flights stirred political controversy, and now a statewide grand jury has released a sharply critical report. News 4 JAX I-team investigator Vic Michelucci tells us the grand jurors described the flights as reckless and dangerous.
These pictures from 2021 show some of the night flights, chartered planes landing at Jacksonville International Airport and unloading passengers who then get into vans and buses. The News 4 JAX I-team looked into these transfers and found dozens had been passing through JAX as part of the Federal Office of Refugee Resettlement. Florida's Republican governor, Ron DeSantis, said he wasn't informed of the flights and quickly blamed the Biden administration.
We're going to be proposing a series of legislative reforms that will help strengthen Florida's hand in fighting back against the Biden border crisis and what we've seen happening for almost the last year.
Shortly after that, landings at JAX tapered off. Now, this report from a statewide grand jury in Florida's Supreme Court gives the federal government a scathing review, noting that more than 70 flights arrived at JAX with migrant children, which Florida refers to as unaccompanied alien children. Airport police got very little notice the flights were arriving or who was on board. And most of the passengers were older teenagers who were then shuttled to shelters and nonprofits with little more than a suitcase. The grand jury is also critical of the money flow, saying these individuals are eligible for work visas and various government benefits, and hundreds of millions of dollars went directly to nonprofit organizations, claiming the agency gave two companies $32 million in grants to run shelters that never opened. The report accuses the government of letting adults posing as children into the U.S. with very little oversight, and points out a Jacksonville murder case where 24-year-old Yeri Medina Ulloa claimed to be a minor. He got placed into a home where he brutally stabbed his sponsor, whom he said was his uncle. Florida's Attorney General Ashley Moody says she's calling upon Congress to investigate and consider federal law to stop these misguided programs. I did reach out to the Office of Refugee Resettlement today for their comment and response to the criticism. So far, I haven't heard back. However, in the past, we submitted a public records request asking for details about the flights. We did get a response which said no records existed. I'm Vic Michelucci, Channel 4, the local station.